In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Mailchimp and QuickBooks together, step by step, so you can connect your accounts and start syncing your business tools more efficiently. This is a great setup if you want to save time, keep your customer data more organized, and make your marketing and accounting workflows work better together. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Mailchimp. If you're not already signed in, enter your Mailchimp account credentials and log in. Once you're inside your account, look to the left-hand menu and click on Integrations. This is the area where Mailchimp lets you connect with other apps and services, including tools for sales, accounting, and automation. Now that you're on the Integrations page, go to the search box and type QuickBooks, then press Enter. Mailchimp will show you any matching integrations, and from those results, you want to click on the QuickBooks integration. If you see the official Intuit QuickBooks integration, make sure you select that one, since that is the trusted connection you want to use. After you select the integration, Mailchimp will open a details page. Take a moment here to review everything carefully. You should be able to see the features included, the kind of data that will be synced, and the permissions required to make the connection work properly. This part is important because it helps you understand exactly what data is being shared between the two platforms before you continue. Once you've reviewed the integration details and everything looks correct, click the Connect or Connect App button. This begins the authorization process and tells Mailchimp that you want to link it with your QuickBooks account. Next, you'll be taken to the QuickBooks sign-in screen. Enter your QuickBooks login details and sign into the account you want to connect. If your organization uses multiple accounts, make sure you select the correct one so the integration connects to the right business data. After you sign in, QuickBooks may ask you to approve permissions or confirm that you want to allow Mailchimp access. Carefully review the authorization request, then click Allow or Authorize to continue. This final approval is what completes the connection between Mailchimp and QuickBooks. Depending on your account settings, the platforms may now start syncing available data automatically, or you may need to complete a few additional setup steps inside the integration settings. At this point, your Mailchimp and QuickBooks accounts are connected, and you can begin using them together to support your workflows. That might include syncing contacts, improving customer targeting, or aligning your marketing data with your financial records. If you want to make changes later, you can always return to the integrations area in Mailchimp and review the connection settings. And that's it. You've now learned how to use Mailchimp and QuickBooks together by finding the integration, reviewing the details, connecting your accounts, and approving access. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.